That time, y'all. What time am I talking about? Yeah. It's filler time, baby. Hey, Sister Sandy be a guy. It's in the building, y'all. Yep. Hello. I'm feeling you, baby.
But we introduced, they say, baby, yo, like boys and girls, men and women, children and children. Papa neti pongone so no. Shirt na ni animonyam fra. Abi aboko de.
We are borderline clothing. What you say?
Yeah. No so tag again. On to my dey. On to my dey kwa mama me dey for mama.
Therefore so am be.
When you world. Me akwam to me shebra. Question of the day.
Yeah.
Is polygamy a good thing? Question of the day. There's this argument. Obi sister uknuba ko chiti areremu afa we di he be hajendi. Maninya alanga jua bi on the side. No fa mechia o. Se me we na me ni tu mpasa. We na se me ni ye yi. Okay, nti me yere me pesa me no official, pesa me wale ne ka ho. Nti akoye argument ye bisa se polygamy eya na. Is it better than cheating? A question of the day.
Right.
Maybe so your arguments. I don't know, mutimi worry 2, 3. Now bad ye. Worry back. I want to want me worry 2, 3. Where your arguments are a cost to a mepes will be action. I don't want to 6.3 on Facebook. Maybe me fear FM. Auntie Maggie me what miss. Auntie Maggie me what I better day. Me mo me high line. Me more age. Na me fear FM na. Say high line unti Jerry. I di mo I didn't you know. Me fear well better day mo me ento day bi wo say betu. Eti ba Jerry. Auntie Maggie no na free ko.
Ofiko.
Me fear I was so feel you ya. Na no bo me history. One. It's a money question and on a mentor and semnusu. Papa be a wawari bako 86 so bejedi.
Why 86?
80 and no me and some question of the day na when I
or your day
86.
You on your moye.
Say now making yes and I con on the sour ha no the bako be introduced any midway come who you check here papa so ko 86. Bia Nena no mudi agrebe ka ho a papa no legend mu or Zimbabwe eho na owo
adwuma de wa ebi
mo na da 86 ye kan papa you go here o shada mo akokrasa watching go for 86 aka bu my dey I pese omo hwe ne adwuma bi omo ko google omo type food FOOL fool.
Yeah.
Ana amanfo tell you susa word ne mame pa.
Say you were a fool.
You a fool. That make na me nto me bon ko hwe meaning of fool. Entim pese omo akohwe. No mu say ampa. This okata me fool anya offense ma me bi. Because me entertainment gradually and it comes with foolery.
So you're fooling for them.
It say no be so di atama fool no nya di atama you a fool. No me ko hwe meaning no enye bone. Enti omo aso nko yes homework no. Gradually.
Talk to me, baby. Talk to me.
Say Mr. Samini say say baby I make on any nyan.
Yeah.
Obeji adise ni twani bi. And I present bi. Present anu kunu ja no me tie mo ayesisi ni twani no. Ekoje sika o ni kunu ni ho. Ba je wote benka.
Ekoje sika o.
Ode ba menya ne sempo ne nyeti awa fama o.
Okay.
Ye fa ne se me ne ababa we. Ye na fofo mimi esi ni twani.
One Hyra.
E wudi ma mudi ago for Hyla. Many Hyra. Na Hyra is ni twani me presenter se na me medwuma ya. Na Hyra kunu. Many Hyra agra na me kura Hyra fella. Na makoton ama Hyra kunu. Adamfo on na grow be 10 years. Koton fella ton ne fella no.
They were stabbing serious o.
Ni kuna sign blank check. Ono kwa kuhye be 20k. Atona down for the film no kasa down for na wari egu already na ye di matem member say
asemo
ye be di matem no my papa na wari 86 on nana ya oje on Facebook. Thanks for the correction. Also papa ni free Nigeria.
Oh okay.
Nigeria no free by Jerry watona down for the fella simple ntietia e di amano And to girls, we say near futu. They are all say no sre. Oh, you know sre kwa no. Na da ma samomra. Ube hu de obako ton fela. Wa ton. And yes, all my information. What ton is cano. I may say girl na worry egu. Once and can say ye me anka mi bodin chire mu. But ready me da pakan so. Ti masam so me ho pa. Ti ba Jerry.
Yeah.
Asama air cost we industry nim no. And am I then? My bonnet tofa at the actually. So what if looking stone you now?
Yeah, bra.
Then or join phone.
Rap near tight.
What's your 6 minutes?
I was in a meeting with Crophobia and that kind of, you know, but
they like it.
I said, yeah, did all of them
actually
like it, but I said me by. Now, Minim said we're at the right time for us to
you
talk about
got
it.
to feel like we give it enough.
The issue of Ghana rap
okay. Yeah.
And one of the guys were like, Charlie, the reason why is like I'm out for Sarkodie flow over most of Ghanaian rappers.
Yeah.
Say Sarkodie Spetia, it's kind of you hear everything that he's talking about. I say you can be every single word. I mean, you're able to get it. But somebody like Flo Kingston, the guy is deep. He got bars and things, Charlie, you know, punchlines, but and you need it will take you some time. And I want to say now, I say we
and now
I think
so
that was the thing.
Yeah.
But you know, I mean, it's cool and they kind of like it, and then me too, Charlie.
Well, then I think this is an advice going to Flo Kingston.
Yeah.
And you be able to say it. The way I did, and honestly speaking, and I won't want to walk out. They are Obi can the same thing say, boy, or rap, I mean, said your count. And then me change my dreams. So I made me a rap fan into me, they be a meeting. Baby will be how I want it. It's a Flo Kingston. I think it's something that he can work on.
Sure.
Yeah, I think it's something that he can work on trying or rap. Ombie na no na yente na ye kan papi ko just Italy ho wanya aka ho wa mabiem na me se papi ho na ye wo wabusua na fofo ho na akọ school ehwa na yetete Ghana de nka abesra ye nti se wo mabiem man ka papi we nya news se wo senka wo di beja my sister Sandy kra me use me airtime ye ade
o mabiem ase say o artist bebre on mo fi krumu aso mo nyoma egusu ba krumu am ye
obeka wa eba nyom de na mo fra me mo ba eba
enye big deal say bia all right
Adum TV
okay that's it you're trying to be share na
all right
any try me we are near happy birthday going out to Nana Bequin or Agbogba. Yes. On 4